In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sync Shopify products to TikTok Shop. To get started, make sure you are signed in to your Shopify admin and you are looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you will see your Shopify sidebar where all of your sales channels and settings live. From here, find and click the TikTok sales channel. This is the place where Shopify connects your store with TikTok Shop, and it is also where you manage which products get sent over. Once you are inside the TikTok sales channel, look near the top for the Product Management area. Depending on your setup, you will either see a tab called Product Gallery or a tab called Manage Products. Both options take you to the same general workflow. This is where you can view the products that are already available to TikTok, and it is where you can choose new items to sync. Next, click the button labeled Add Products. This is the key action that starts the syncing process. When you select it, Shopify will prompt you to choose what you want to send to TikTok Shop. Take a moment here to be intentional, because the items you add are the ones that will be prepared for listing on TikTok. You will now choose either specific individual products or entire collections. Selecting individual items is best if you only want to test a few listings or if you have a smaller catalog. Selecting collections is useful when you want to sync groups of products at once, like a featured line or seasonal items. As you make your selection, double-check that you are choosing the correct products, especially if some items are similar or have multiple variants. When you are ready, click Add to confirm. That final click tells Shopify to include the selected products or collections in your TikTok Shop sync. After that, give it a little time to process, especially if you added many items at once. That covers everything you need to know.